Sanford Fargo ER for a patient care report on a direct admit. Sanford. We're bringing in a patient with the initials PG. Current list of vitals is heart rate of 69, blood pressure 134/88. SpO2 is 96% on 2 liters. No changes during transport. ETA is about 8 minutes.